Guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to show you this amazing conversion rate optimization prompt that works for literally any website. And it requires any kind of AI tool, so you can use Gemini, ChatGPT, although I would recommend the deep search function. It's kind of set up for that, but it's super powerful. And um, basically, what it does is it goes through pretty much every single principle in conversion rate optimization, as well as UX, and of course, that's user experience. Um, and it really summarizes pretty much everything. And not only does it summarize, but as you'll see from the extensive summary and recommendations as well. Um, Yeah, that's one of the great things about this prompt is that it gives you recommendations also from high intent to high priority, and then sort of going down the list as well. So it really gets super detailed, and I think um, something that you would pay agencies or conversion rate optimization specialists to conduct these kind of checks would cost you a lot of money. So, not saying that you should completely replace those people, but for sort of smaller websites and maybe those who don't have, massive budgets to be able to conduct conversion rate optimization, this is honestly the most effective way. I mean, really, it gives you so many actionable recommendations. Um, I got it to audit one of my um, oldest websites, which, as you can see, is very basic, a lot of text and not very user-friendly, very dated, as you can see, kind of stuck in the time when it was made, yeah, almost 10 years ago. So um, what it's done is it's really broken down, call to actions, mobile experience, um, having read this sort of breakdown as in depth as possible, it tells you, like implement a mega menu and just really tangible things that you can implement. So I do have this prompt linked down in the description if you're interested. So definitely recommend checking it out. Um, and yeah, if you like this kind of content, yeah, please like and subscribe. It really helps grow and support this channel. So yeah, don't forget to get the link to this prompt. It's really helpful. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.